Hiya and welcome to my first makeup tutorial, and this is inspired by my birthstone, which is the Aquamarine, which is the birthstone for March. So I hope you enjoy the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. So to start, brush the eyebrow hairs up and starting at the arch, fill the sparse areas in with the ABH Dip Brow Pomade. So using the tart shape tape, I like to go around the eyebrows, which is what we call carving out, and it just gives the eyebrows a more clean appearance. I also like to go over the eyelids as it covers any discoloration that the eyelids might have. Using my Real Technique sponge, I like just to blend all that concealer out. And then I like to set this using the Mercier translucent powder. So the first colour I'm going to use is Dragonfly by Makeup Geek, and it's a gorgeous matte green eyeshadow. And I'm going to use this in the socket of the eye, and I'm going to extend this towards the outer edge. And I'm just going to keep blending back and forth, and this is going to be my transition colour. So this is going to help any colours that I put onto the eyelid and blend lovely. So now I'm using another Makeup Geek eyeshadow called Dirty Martini, which is a dirty green colour, and I'm using this in the crease of the eye, concentrating towards the outer corners, and I'm just blending, and I'm blending it into that other colour but not going as high. In the MAC Pro Longwear concealer, I'm cutting a crease and setting it with the Laura Mercier concealer. This is so that the colour that I put on really stands out well. Spraying my brush with MAC Fix Plus, and I'm using my own little blend of glitters and pigments onto the eye, and I'm packing all this on. Then I'm going in with some gel liner, and I'm only creating a small wing. And I wanted it a little bit more dramatic, so I added the matte carbon eyeshadow into the corner, and then just sort of framed that blue glitter into the crease, and ensuring to blend all that out so it looks seamless. X Factor 2000 calorie mascara and a metal comb brush. I just coated the eyelashes in some mascara. This I do before I use false eyelashes, just so that it helps sort of support the lashes that I do put on, which are the Ardell Demi Wispies. And using duo glue, I use those just to secure those to the natural lash. Using my tweezers, I then push up so that it adheres to the lash line. Using Bioderma micellar water, I like just to clean up any loose glitter under the eye. Gel eyeliner again, I just like to go in the waterline. Using the Tarte Shape Tape concealer, just going underneath the eye to counteract any discoloration and to give a clean slate for the colours that I'm going to put on underneath. It with the Urban Decay Velvetizer, and the reason why I'm doing this is because it's so finely milled and it is actually meant to be mixed in with foundations. Underneath the eye, I'm now using the Dragonfly colour from Makeup Geek, and I'm blending that underneath the eye, and I'm using my MAC 217 fluffy blending brush. and I'm blending that right up into the lash line, again creating that gradient up to the eye. Then just at the root of the lashes I am blending in that carbon. I'm using a pea-sized amount of the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer and I'm rubbing that all over the face. Then I'm going to apply my MAC Pro Longwear foundation and I'm buffing this in with a foundation brush, and then I'm just using my Miracle complexion brush to just pat over the skin. Using my large It Cosmetics powder brush, I'm setting all that foundation with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. I'm now creating dimension to the face by using the Hoola Benefit bronzer, and I'm creating like a 3 shape figure on the face, which gives back shade and dimension. And to clean up the contour, I'm just going underneath the cheekbone with some setting powder and using one of my favourite blushes by MAC, which is Rosy Outlook, which I believe has been discontinued, so I am sorry, but just putting this onto the cheekbones. I'm then going underneath the lashes with some more of my 2000 calorie Max Factor mascara, and I'm lining the lips with MAC Subculture pencil and then filling in the lips with some MAC Myth lipstick. I'm just going over the lash band with some MAC black eyeliner, and then I'm adding some vanilla pigment to the inner corners of the eye, which brightens up the eye. So this brings us to the end of my first tutorial. I hope you've enjoyed it. Please leave your comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video. Hopefully I'll get some more tutorials up soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.